Today I'm going to show you how to make cream egg brownies. You will need 225 grams of brown sugar, 200 grams of dark chocolate, 100 grams of plain flour, 125 grams of butter, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and a pack of 5 cream eggs. Firstly, you want to melt your butter and chocolate together. I did mine in the microwave. I popped it in for a minute and a half and then just gave it a really good stir. You can do it on a bain-marie if you want, which is a bowl over a saucepan of boiling water, and you put your chocolate and your butter into the bowl. And then once melted and mixed together and well combined, just pop it to one side to allow it to cool slightly. Then in a bowl to your sugar, add your eggs one at a time, whisking the sugar into the eggs to incorporate them. And once the eggs and sugar are incorporated, you want to whisk your eggs and sugar mix until it is thick and creamy, pale and doubled in size. Then add your chocolate mixture, and you want to fold the chocolate mixture in. So the reason why we're folding it in and not stirring it is because we want to keep as much of the air that we've whipped into the eggs as possible. And then you want to sieve in the flour, the baking powder and the cocoa powder. Then you just add your salt in, and again fold this all into your mixture, trying to retain as much air as possible in your mixture. And then once it's all well combined, you want to put it in a pre-prepared tin. My baking tray was 18 centimetres by 28 centimetres, and you want to line it with baking paper and grease it ever so slightly. And then pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted, and you want to pop your brownie in for 30 minutes. And while your brownie is baking, you want to prepare your cream eggs. So you basically want to cut your cream eggs in half. The best way to do that is to find the seam along the cream eggs and cut around it. I used a sharp knife, and I also had a cup of boiling water, which I was trying to warm up the knife, basically using the steam or dipping the knife into the water and wiping any excess moisture off on a kitchen towel. You want to try and keep the cream egg halves as whole as possible, but if they do crack a little bit, it's not going to make that much of a difference. And then once the brownies have been in for 30 minutes, you then want to remove the brownie from the oven and place your cream eggs on the top in the pattern that you want. And then you want to pop it back in the oven for 5 minutes just to finish off the cooking. And you know when the brownie is done when you put a toothpick into the brownie, and when it comes out with crumbs on it. So if it's underdone, it will come out with batter on it and it will be coated. If it comes out where it's just got crumbs on it, then it's right. If it comes out clean, then it's slightly overdone. Cut into the size pieces you want, and there you have it. That's how you make cream egg brownies.